Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So I'm going to teach you now in this video on how to turn off search history on Google Chrome. And if you're using an iPad, a phone, a tablet, or even laptop or MacBook, please stay on the video because they're literally the same process, okay? So please open your Google Chrome, and as you can see right here, I have mine already open. So I have two ways for you to not save your search history. The first one is of course using incognito mode. What is incognito and how to use it? Just open any browser of Google Chrome and just simply type in or type Ctrl-Shift-N on your keyboard. It will automatically open up this landing page. This guy right here, all grayed out. Everything you search here, your browsing history, your cookies, your information, websites, everything you search here won't be saved, okay? That's the step one. Now for example, you have search history saved up already. I suggest going on the three dots right here, clicking history right there, and clear browsing data. Simply choose all the time and clear data right there, okay? And that should do it. That's how you turn off your search history on Google Chrome, and that's how you clear it out actually. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.